Okay, open Daddy's card.
Flip it over.
Yay!
Are you ready?
Do you know what it says? You're going to Disney World with Patty. Now. Like, right now. You're getting ready to go in the airport. All your bags are packed. Everything's in the truck. And you're going on the plane with Patty.
So you don't get to miss Danny no more. You're gone.
What do you guys think?
It's alright.
Speechless, huh? Really?
Well, you get to go for the next couple of days.
Hello, are you excited? I'm crying in here. Oh my gosh.
We've been so hard to keep it in
I
all
thought
this
you guys
time.
would like really be super excited and like,
Patty.
oh my gosh! And I'm the only one crying.
It's like way too early or something? You're going today
We're
and
getting on a
tomorrow
plane, like in an hour.
and Sunday and Monday. You're going to be there for 4 days.
And you get to go to school Tuesday.
And then
Hey, Autumn,
yesterday,
I love you.
tomorrow,
Hey.
I see those tears.
Oh. Okay.